Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to simulate Facebook login or any type of login. I'm just going to make a test interactive way of logging into Facebook. So we can with this we can learn how we make use of our data types, how we make use of conditions, how it all works with, because we know that the more you put your hands on more tasks, the more it's easier for you to learn and understand any programming languages. So we're going to do a little bit of task today, which is to create just idea of way Facebook login in. So the person will know that when you go to your Facebook account, there are two things. When you want to log in, there are two things you are going to see, which is going to prompt you to put your email, which is the first thing. Second is your password. So I'm going to create email or username, and then the second one is password. So I'm going to simulate that in this video, which is the first thing Facebook is going to ask is your username. Let's leave it empty and your password. Okay, let's say your username for your Facebook profile is easy kids channel. Easy kids channel, that's your username, and your password is easy kids channel 1234. Okay, this is your password. This is your password, and why this is your username? Well, I don't think because my channel is answering easy kids, you can try to hack to log in with it. Sorry, that's not it. Just what I just formed, the username and password I just formed off my head. So this just for us to do this interesting interactive tutorial. So we know that this is our username and this is our password. And before Facebook can log you in, you must have this. Your username must match in their database and your password must match in their database. And these are information that has been, let's say you have registered before, and these were things that were in your database. So how we're going to do it? We're going to make use of and is also a keyword in Python programming language. So what does and do? And like I would do, okay, let me use an example. Just know that and is you make sure the two things or more than two things are the same or are true or are correct. For example, let me which example will I use? Okay, let's use your house, for example. You have TV and you also have chair in your house, for example. I know everybody should have chair, come on. But let's say you have TV and you have come on. You have TV and also at the same time you have chair. So you can see that and links the two words together. So and make sure that you have to Facebook. Once your username that imputed matches the database username and the password I inputted matches the password in database, which in our case they are both the same thing. So what did I do? Is equals to the one in our database, and you might be wondering why I didn't put or. If I put or, it's going to be if this username matches with username, and even though the password is not the same thing with the password in database, I can't log in. You can have the same username, but you cannot have the same password. You get it? So that's why I use and. That's in this video, so we can know how to use our. And so if the password is the same with the one database, printed out here, successfully logged in. I can see else. Else. Can see enter your correct Facebook account informations. Okay, so since everything is correct, I think this guy he build one to run, but let's run and see that. Okay. You can see you have successfully logged into Facebook. What if I just try tampering with the username? I just put one on front. What do you get here? You can see and correct Facebook account information. So I think this is just a basic idea of how Facebook login works. It's nothing really pretty entertaining. Just for us to know how to implement what we have learned in this video so far. So it won't be of waste, because you tend to know more when you put your hand to a project. So these are one of the projects that beginners should be able to know how to do. I think with this, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also like. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.